Bitcoin Cash most certainly has a medium-term obstruction at $109.8, which by and large is genuinely critical. Bitcoin exchanges closed $601.33 in an unobtrusive way. Bitcoin's pair exchanging above MA20 in a truly significant way. The extremely current exchanging volume of Bitcoin Cash explicitly is at $446 at 195.932 and in an in every way that really matters, large way. 31 Walk 2024. In this video, we will in a real sense walk you through Bitcoin Cash cost examination for now or for truly 1 week from now and really attempt to answer these regularly most certainly gotten clarification on some things facts. What certainly is somewhat transient cost expectation for Bitcoin Cash truly is BCH and essentially wise speculation, which sort of is very critical. Bitcoin Cash support and obstruction levels and so forth in a really significant manner. Yet, prior to plunging commonly profound into the BCH specialized investigation, truly let us basically discuss the very current economic situations, or so they explicitly thought. Market examination over the kind of last 24 hours, there really was a ruin of 184%, bringing the kind of whole cryptographic money market to $2, 675, 555, 602, 461 in an unobtrusive manner. The sort of complete exchanging volume most certainly remains at $62, 396, 878.040, which basically is genuinely huge. Bitcoin shares 52% of the entry market, while Ethereum essentially has a predominance of 16.33% in a genuinely large manner, which really brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $70, 740, 73 level after a vertical development of 0.74% in an unpretentious manner. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum in every way that really matters, has seen a cost increment of 26% coming to $3, 624.28 during the past 24 hours, so 31 Walk 2024. In this video we will fundamentally walk you through Bitcoin Cash cost examination for now or for all things considered, 1 week from now, and basically attempt to answer these regularly for the most part gotten clarification on some pressing issues facts. What truly is essentially transient cost expectation for Bitcoin Cash truly is BCH and all things considered, wise venture, or so they in a real sense thought. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $604.84, following a value change of 0.5% within a similar time span in an unobtrusive manner. Sol, the really local coin of Solana in a real sense, is somewhere near 0.17 and at present exchanging at $196.69, which certainly is very critical. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to $60 in the wake of seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, which essentially is genuinely critical. These occasions really show that the market sort of is going in an especially descending course for present moment, or so they most certainly thought. As of now, a very broad, fundamentally bad plunge can be seen all through the crypto market, which essentially is genuinely critical. Bitcoin Cash backing and obstruction backing in opposition in every practical sense are significant specialized pointers used to recognize really key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path, exhibiting that the exceptionally all-out exchanging volume, all things considered, remains at $62, 396, 878.040 in a sort of huge manner. Support in a real sense is a level at which purchases sort of become more sort of dynamic and especially prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. Similarly, obstruction essentially is a level at which vendors for the most part become move in every way that really matters, dynamic, and especially prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, all things considered, in spite of prevalent thinking. Following in a real sense are the help and opposition levels of Bitcoin Cash BCH Bitcoin Cash execution. The exceptionally current Bitcoin Cash cost in every practical sense is $601.33, with an exchanging volume of $446, 195 in 932 and in the truly beyond 24 hours, showing that various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum truly has seen a cost increment of 2.6% coming to $3, 624.18 during the past 24 hours. So 31 Walk 2024. In this video, we will for the most part walk you through Bitcoin Cash cost examination for now, or for especially 1 week from now, and generally attempt to answer these habitually truly clarified some pressing issues facts. What for the most part is extremely momentary cost expectation for Bitcoin Cash, all things considered, is BCH a by and large wise interest in an unobtrusive manner. Right now, BCH really is somewhere near 43% since yesterday with a market capitalization of $11,836,731,504 USD, which generally is genuinely huge. Bitcoin Cash Value Examination BCH Cost Investigation for 31 Walk 2024 inside a sort of everyday time span truly made sense of underneath, which explicitly shows that right now BCH generally is somewhere near 43% since yesterday with a market capitalization of $11,836,731,504 USD in an especially significant manner. We utilize sort of relative strength indexes, moving commonly normal combination and difference MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints including pretty straightforward moving in every practical sense, normal SMA and outstanding moving commonly normal MA to generally examine the future development of the Bitcoin Cash. Exceptionally further appearance how following all things considered are the help and opposition levels of Bitcoin Cash BCH Bitcoin Cash execution. The genuinely current Bitcoin Cash cost most certainly is $601.33 with an exchanging volume of $446, $195, $932, as in the essentially beyond 24 hours, showing that various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum in every way that really matters, has seen a cost increment of 26% coming to $3,624.28 during the past 24 hours, so 31 Walk 2024. In this video, we will fundamentally walk you through Bitcoin Cash cost examination for now or for most certainly 1 week from now and in every practical sense, attempt to answer these regularly truly clarified pressing issues facts. What truly is essentially momentary cost expectation for Bitcoin Cash, truly is BCH an essentially wise interest in a significant manner. While BCH's Williams %R marker really is at 60.21 for the 14-day time span showing an unbiased condition. A exchange pretty sign sort of is truly conceivable at this reach, exhibiting that right now, an exceptionally broad, quite regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, which fundamentally is genuinely critical. The truly relative strength file RSI demonstrates that the BCH coin truly is in oversold stage, as RSI explicitly is at 25, which especially shows that while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $604.84 following a value change of 0.5% within a similar time span, which essentially is very critical. The MACD line truly is remaining underneath of them for the most part signal line after a hybrid, so 31 Walk 2024. In this video, we will truly walk you through Bitcoin Cash cost examination for now or for genuinely 1 week from now and in every practical sense, attempt to answer these much of the time commonly got clarification on pressing issues facts, what truly is essentially momentary cost expectation for Bitcoin Cash, by and large is BCH a genuinely wise speculation, which in a real sense is very critical. Bitcoin Cash financial backers need to sit tight for any directional change over the very day-to-day diagram in every way that really matters, huge way essentially. Ends as per the Bitcoin Cash BCH cost examination. The general